Alright, welcome to the channel guys. Today in this video I'll be showing you some basic and very useful accessories I have installed on my bicycle, and you can install it as well. So starting with the very useful accessory is this LED blinker. So if you are the one who will be cycling very early morning or in the dark, you can use this LED blinker. It comes in 7 different colors and modes. So at the rear I have installed the red blinking mode. So this also comes with the velcro patches. You can remove it and you can stick it like this, and it comes with a rechargeable battery and a micro USB charging. You can charge it and use it. So this is the one. At the front I have installed the same LED with plain white light. So this is the first accessory I have installed, and second one is the small bag from Decathlon. As you could see, this is the bag which I got it from Decathlon for 399 rupees. So in this I have kept a cleaning cloth and few accessories. And the third one is the seat cover. So this is the basic generic seat cover which is serving me very well, which I got from Flipkart for just 199 rupees. And next one is the lock. So this is the lock which I got from Decathlon. This will cost you around 250 rupees, which is of very good quality. And thankfully I got the stand with the bicycle, so there was no need to buy a stand. And the next is the bottle holder. So this is from the brand called Triben, which is from Decathlon as well. And the next accessory, the last accessory which I have installed, this bell which looks aesthetically very pleasing and sounds very good as well. This is how it sounds. So yeah guys, I have been using this bike from past 6 months now, and these are the accessories which I have installed. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do comment down below. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out. Is this bell which looks aesthetic. This bell which look aesthetically